children, today we are going to see 6th English Unit 2. Poem Trees. Children, what is trees? Why do we need trees? Why trees are important in our life? What are the uses of trees? Children, now let's see one by one. Children, tree is a woody perennial plant, typically having a single stem or trunk, growing to a considerable height and bearing lateral branches at some distance from the ground, is called trees. Now let's see the benefits of growing and protecting trees. First one, trees are home to different birds and insects. Second one, trees give us medicine which can cure us when we are sick. Third one, trees protect the soil from erosion and landslides. Fourth one, trees give fruits. Fifth one, trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is necessary and important for life. Sixth one, trees provide shade and keeps the temperature cool. Seventh one, trees have a big role in bringing rain. Without trees, the climate would be drier and hotter. So children, without trees, we cannot survive. Trees play an important role in our lives. So, we should plant many trees. Okay children, now let's see about the author. Children, the author of the poem is Sarah Coleridge. This is the picture of Sarah Coleridge. She was born on 23 December 1802, Keswick, United Kingdom. Sarah Coleridge was an English translator and author of children's verse, known primarily as the editor of the works of her father, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. She died on 3rd May 1852, London, United Kingdom. Children, now let's see the poem. Children, this poem having 8 lines. This is memory poem. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quarrel in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives a pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Children, once again I will repeat. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quarrel in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives a pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Children, now let's see the meaning of the poem one by one. The banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means big. Children, this is the picture of banyan tree. And this is the picture of banyan fruits. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. It has the widest reaching roots out of all known trees. The tree can live for a very long time period. Now, let's see the benefits of banyan tree. First one, banyan trees provide shelter to many birds and insect species. Second one, its leaf, bark, seed and fruit are used for the variety of disorders. Third one, the wood of the banyan tree is used in making door, furniture, window. Fourth one, it's an evergreen tree useful for soil conservation. Fifth one, its fast growing and hardy species provides shade. Children, here in those lines the poet says the banyan tree is the largest of all the trees. Children, once again I will explain the line. The banyan tree is the largest of all the trees. Next line, the people quarrels in the breeze. Children, quarrels means shake quickly. Breeze means wind. This is the picture of peepal tree. Now let us see the benefits of peepal tree. First one, peepal tree is used in traditional medicine for about 50 types of disorders, including asthma, diabetes, inflammatory disorders. Second one, peepal tree purifies the surrounding air by killing harmful bacteria. Third one, peepal tree pumps groundwater due to its expensive root system and keeps the surrounding land cool. Fourth one, it supplies maximum oxygen and provides oxygen even at night. Fifth one, peepal tree has a very long lifespan, up to 2000 years. Children, in those lines, the poet says, the peepal tree shivers quickly in the breeze. Shivers means shaking. Children, once again I will explain the line. The peepal tree shivers quickly in the breeze. Next line, the coconut grows up straight and tall. Children, this is the picture of coconut tree. Children, this is the picture of coconut. Children, now let us see the benefits of coconut tree. First one, coconut is very popular and often consumed fruit. Other than the flesh, coconut water, milk and oil can be used in the preparations of various healthy dishes. Second one, coconut oil has wide application in cosmetic industry. Coconut oil is a part of various lotions because it smells nice and increases the moisture of the skin. Third one, wooden parts of coconuts are used in the manufacture of furniture, decorative objects, drums, containers and even canoes. Fourth one, coconut husk and shell are used as fuel and source of charcoal. Fifth one, coconut can survive up to 100 years in the wind. Children, in those lines, the poet says the coconut trees grow up straight and the coconut tree looks very tall. Children, once again, I will explain this line. The coconut tree grow up straight and the coconut tree looks very tall. Children, next line. The neem tree's fruits are very small. Children, this is the picture of neem tree. Children, now let us see the benefits of neem tree. First one, the neem leaves help to protect against skin infection. Second one, the bark is used to cure malaria, stomach infection and intestinal ulcer. Third one, the neem flower is used to reduce bile secretion, treating intestinal worms. Fourth one, the neem fruit is used to cure urinary tract disorder, diabetes and eye disorders. Fifth one, the seed and seed oil is used for leprosy and intestinal worms. Sixth one, the neem oil is used in cosmetic and medicines. Children, in those lines, the poet says the fruits of the neem trees are very small. Children, once again, I will explain the line. The fruits of the neem trees are very small. Next line, the tamarind gives us pleasant shade. Pleasant means enjoyable. Shade means darkness. Children, this is the picture of tamarind tree. Children, this is the picture of tamarind fruits. Now, let us see the benefits of tamarind tree. First one, tamarind is a delicious, sweet and sour fruit that had a wide variety of uses. Second one, tamarind has ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Third one, tamarind seed used to treat throat infection, stomach disorder and prevent cancer. Fourth one, it improve digestion, reduce weight, clears up skin. Fifth one, it protect the liver. Sixth one, strengthens the heart. Children, in those lines, the poet says, the tamarind tree gives us pleasant shade to relax. Pleasant means enjoyable. Children, once again I will explain the line. The tamarind tree gives us pleasant shade to relax. Next line, the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Children, this is the picture of dates tree. This is the picture of dates. Now, let us see the health benefits of dates. First one, dates are sweet, dark brown fruit that come from palm tree. Second one, dates are good for strengthening bones. Third one, dates are full of iron. They are very helpful for those who have anemia. Fourth one, dates can help with night blindness. Fifth one, dates help support healthy weight gain. Sixth one, dates have vitamin that help the nervous system work properly. Seventh one, dates are also very helpful for keeping the heart healthy. Children, in those lines, the poet says, the leaves of the dates tree are as sharp as a blade. Children, once again I will explain the line. The leaves of the date tree are as sharp as a blade. Next line, the teak tree gives us useful wood. Children, this is the picture of teak tree. Now, let us see the uses of teak tree. First one, to make furniture, boards, indoor flooring, window and door. Second one, teak tree contains sense oil, which is the repellent to insect. Third one, teak leaves is used to dye cloths. Fourth one, to sell raw material in long form to local and export marketing. Children, in those lines, the poet says, the teak tree gives us wood, which is useful to make furniture, window and door. Children, once again I will explain the line. The teak tree gives us wood, which is useful to make furniture, window, door. Children, next line, the mango gives us fruit that is good. Children, this is the picture of mango tree. Now, let us see the benefits of mango. First one, mango is the national fruit of India. Second one, it prevents cancer. Third one, it improves digestion and clears up skin. Fourth one, mango has ability to reduce the cholesterol. Fifth one, it helps diabetes. Children, in those lines, the poet says, the mango tree gives us fruit which is good and tasty to eat. Mango is yellow, red, orange and green in color. It is used to make pickle, cake, juice and jam. Children, now we came to the end of the poem. Children, now I will give you some important points from this poem. So children, maintain a separate notebook for English. In case of any doubt, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Children, poet mentioned 8 trees in this poem. First one, banyan tree. Second one, peepal tree. Fourth one, coconut tree. Fifth one, neem tree. Sixth one, tamarind tree. Sixth one, dates tree. Seventh one, teak tree. Eighth one, mango tree. First one, the banyan tree is the largest of all trees. Second one, the peepal tree shakes quickly in the breeze. Third one, the coconut tree grows up straight and tall. Fourth one, the neem tree fruits are very small. Fifth one, the tamarind tree gives us pleasant shade to relax. Sixth one, the leaves of the dates tree are as sharp as a blade. Seventh one, the teak tree gives us wood which is useful for all of us. Eighth one, the mango tree gives us fruits which are good and tasty to eat. Children, now let us see the rhyming words. Children, a rhyming is a repetitions of the same sound in 2 or more words. Usually, they come at the end of lines in poems and songs. Children, once again I will repeat the rhyming words. A rhyming is a repetitions of the same sound in 2 or more words. Usually, they come at the end of lines in poems and songs. Children, I will give you more examples for this rhyming words. Children, listen carefully. Can, fan, man, pan, ran. End of the sound is an. Next one, ball, call, hall, fall, tall. End of the sound is all. Next one, map, cap, gap, tap, nap. End of the sound is ab. Next one, sat, bat, rat, cat, fat. End of the sound is ad. Cup, pub. Fan, van. Ball, stall. Boy, toy. Tree, tree. Nose, rose. Pen, hen. Children, now let us see the alliteration. Alliteration, the use of the same beginning consonant sound in a line or verse. Children, once again I will repeat. The use of the same beginning consonant sound in a line or verse. Children, I will give you some example for this alliteration. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells. It is called alliteration. A big bully beats a baby boy. So, B is the alliteration. Children, now let's see evaluation. Choose the rhyming words from the poem. Find out the alliteration in those lines. First one, what does the people do? Second one, how does the coconut tree grow? Third one, what does the tamarind give? Fourth one, what is as sharp as a blade? Fifth one, what does the teak tree give us?